Hi, this is Miss K. In today's video, I'll show you how to create a WhatsApp channel using your Android device. To get started, open the WhatsApp app and tap the Updates tab at the bottom of the screen. Next, tap the plus icon beside Channels and select Create Channel. Tap Continue, then enter a name for your channel. You can also add a description and a profile picture to help people recognize your channel. Once you're finished, tap Create Channel * to complete the setup. After your channel is created, you can start posting updates, photos, videos, polls, and links for your followers to see. You can also share your channel link to invite more people to follow your updates. And that's it, you've successfully created a WhatsApp channel. Happy watching! Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.